Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about Woxma 9-pack extension cord holder organizers features that you should see. Let's do started. Woxma 9-pack extension cord holder organizer, heavy-duty storage straps. Features are organization and storage, quality material, wide range of uses, size information, and guarantee. Let's talk about these features. Organization and storage. Use heavy-duty storage straps in garages, shops and houses, boats, or campers for storage and organization in an organized manner. These straps are the best solution for finishing ropes. Quality material. These ones weatherproof high-density polypropylene and commercial-grade nylon make this the perfect storage strap for rugged indoor and outdoor use. Wide range of uses. The rust-proof metal grommet can easily hang extension cords, hoses, ropes, and more. Remove items from the ground and organize them in garages. These heavy-duty grommet straps are suitable for garage. Size information. Our straps are perfect for use with Woxma garage storage hooks to help your storage organization become more efficient. Heavy-duty hook and loop can hold up to 50 pounds, 22 kilograms. Guarantee. We promise to offer 100% satisfaction. If there's any problem, just feel free to contact us. We will offer a 1-year worry-free warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about these products, check the video description.